Starting around 12 October 2023, Chilliz especially is exchanging at $0.054 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.7% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which really is very critical. CHZ by and large has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $403,234,054, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,823,318, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. This truly makes Chilliz, CHZ, sort of positioning at 74 in the digital money market, or so they in every practical sense, thought. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz basically be most certainly worth in 2023? Is Chilliz a very wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CHZ cost truly outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is very critical? These sort of are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to basically cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.091, the normal all things considered, least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to sort of be $0.088. Besides, CHZ can really arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $0.097, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.080, which especially is genuinely huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, or so they sort of thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.083 in a fundamentally enormous manner. CHZ value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Chilliz basically is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.082 in a truly significant manner. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.089, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.085, which certainly is very critical. Chilliz, CHZ, value conjecture November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may arrive at the very least worth of $0.085, while the truly greatest anticipated cost certainly is around $0.093, showing how this generally makes Chilliz, CHZ, essentially positioning at 74 in the digital currency market, or so they in a real sense thought. The truly normal cost for CHZ sort of is certainly anticipated to truly reach $0.088 in November 2023 in a kind of large way. CHZ value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz really is gauged to fundamentally be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.088, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Chilliz value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.097, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars, so while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.083, or so they essentially thought. Chilliz genuinely passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been in a real sense diminished by 4.46% in its exceptionally current worth. Assuming we especially look at the sort of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, or so they essentially thought. Chilliz fundamentally is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ really is down to nearly 10.94% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past not very many days. The coin could essentially have serious areas of strength, for especially however, We don't generally believe that it would a productive resource in lovely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ in a real sense diminished by 61.429%, wiping out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.086 from its fundamentally current worth incredibly. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a great in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for fast speculation. Especially further appearance how CHZ fundamentally has a by and large all-out market cap of $403,234,054, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,823,318 in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 60.87%, and the cost truly coursed from an especially least genuinely normal cost of 13 cents to in every way that really matters, greatest certainly normal cost of 14 cents in the very beyond 90 days, which basically is very critical. Chilliz truly is somewhere near 48.40%, with the especially greatest essentially normal cost of the coin generally was around 11 cents, and the fundamentally least sort of typical cost of for the most part was around 11 cents in essentially beyond 4 months, exhibiting that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the CHZ cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0.091, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to be $0.088. Chilliz value gauge 2023 facts. What will generally be Chilliz especially worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? The CHZ cost generally is estimated to sort of arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.097, with sort of least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, showing how this basically makes Chilliz, CHZ, genuinely positioning at 74 in the cryptographic money market, which really is genuinely critical. Does Chilliz truly have a future, or so they by and large thought? As far as value, Chilliz basically has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to essentially arrive at new levels, so inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ sort of diminished by 61.429%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of $0.086 from its especially current worth in a by and large significant manner. It sort of is gauged that CHZ will increment in esteem, sort of additional appearance, how Chilliz fundamentally passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense, has been generally diminished by 4.46% in its really current worth, which essentially is very huge. As per sort of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Chilliz can commonly stir things up around town cost of $3.01 till 2030, showing how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 20.